Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I'm Joe.
Hi, everyone, and I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here with us today.
It feels good to be here, talking together again.
Yes, it always feels nice to slow down and practice real English.
Before we get started, thank you for listening today.
Yes, we really appreciate your time.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us continue these conversations.
Now, let's talk about today's idea, something many learners struggle with.
Yes, something very common.
Thinking in English without translating first.
That moment in your head when words stop you.
You know the feeling. Someone speaks to you, you understand, but your answer feels slow.
Because your mind is busy moving between languages.
Exactly. English goes in, your language appears, then English comes back out.
That takes time, and it can feel stressful.
Many learners think this is a problem, or that something is wrong with them.
But it's normal, very normal.
Your brain is just trying to help, using what it already knows.
Yes, it's a habit, not a mistake.
The good news is this: habits can change.
Slowly, naturally.
You don't need perfect English. You don't need fast English.
You need clear connections.
English words connected directly to ideas.
Not passing through another language first.
That's what we'll practice together, step by step.
With simple examples and real moments.
No pressure, no rushing.
Just listening, thinking, and feeling English more naturally.
If this sounds familiar to you, you're in the right place.
Yes, and as we continue, you'll start to notice something small changing. That small change is where real English thinking begins.
That small change feels interesting. It starts quietly.
Yes, almost like a light turning on.
For many people, the first moment happens during daily life,
Simple moments, nothing special.
like waking up in the morning, opening your eyes,
And the first thought appears.
usually in your own language.
Exactly, that's the habit.
But what if, just once, you let one English word appear instead?
Not a full sentence, just one word.
Like morning.
Yes, just that.
At first, it feels strange.
Almost uncomfortable.
Your brain wants to go back.
Because it feels safe there.
But staying for 1 second is enough.
That 1 second matters.
Then you stand up, you walk to the kitchen.
You see water, a cup,
Instead of translating, you just notice.
cup, water.
No grammar, no thinking.
Just seeing and naming.
This is how the habit starts to shift.
Not with studying, but with noticing.
Many learners think they must force sentences.
But forcing makes the brain tired.
Small steps feel lighter.
And easier to repeat.
Later in the day, maybe you feel hungry.
That feeling is strong.
Instead of translating the thought, you pause.
And let the English come.
I am hungry.
Simple, clear.
No rules explained.
No grammar book needed.
Just feeling and matching words.
This is important.
Because feelings are faster than thoughts.
And language grows faster with feelings.
Some days it works.
Some days it doesn't.
That's okay.
Very okay.
The goal is not perfection.
The goal is awareness.
Noticing when English appears naturally.
And gently inviting it back when it disappears.
This practice fits into real life.
And that's why it lasts.
As we keep going, you'll see how actions can help English feel even more natural.
That connection grows stronger when actions join the words.
Yes, actions make everything clearer.
Think about very normal moments, very small actions,
Things you do without thinking.
like standing up, sitting down.
Opening a door. Closing a door.
When you stand up, you can let one line appear.
I stand up.
No rush, no pressure.
Just matching the action.
Your body moves first.
The words follow naturally.
This helps the brain trust English.
Because the meaning is obvious.
You are not guessing.
You are experiencing it.
The same happens when you walk,
I walk.
when you sit.
I sit.
Short sentences work best here.
Long ones slow the moment.
Some learners try to explain the action.
But explanation is not needed.
The body already knows.
English just joins the moment.
Even daily habits help.
Brushing teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Washing hands.
I wash my hands.
These lines repeat every day.
And repetition builds comfort.
Comfort builds speed.
Speed builds confidence.
That confidence feels real.
Sometimes the sentence comes late.
That's still fine.
The action already happened.
But the brain still connects it.
Other times, the sentence comes before the action.
That's a good sign.
It means English is waking up faster.
Little by little.
This is not studying.
This is living.
And English fits into life when it feels useful.
Not when it feels heavy.
That's why actions matter so much.
They keep English grounded.
And grounded English stays longer.
In the next moments, we'll see how sounds and listening push this even further.
And once actions feel natural, listening starts to change too.
Yes, listening becomes less stressful.
Many learners feel pressure when listening.
They try to understand every word.
That can feel heavy.
And tiring very fast.
But real listening is different.
It's about catching meaning.
Not catching everything.
Exactly.
Think about your first language.
You don't hear every word clearly.
But you still understand.
Because your brain fills the gaps.
English can work the same way.
If you allow it.
This is where simple listening helps.
Very simple.
Short videos.
Short conversations.
Clear voices.
Natural speed.
When you listen, don't translate in your head.
Just notice the situation.
Who is speaking?
Where they are.
What they are doing.
Your brain understands context first.
Words come second.
That order is important.
For example, you hear someone say, "I'm late."
You don't need translation.
You feel the situation.
Time pressure.
Movement.
Emotion.
Listening becomes emotional.
Not mechanical.
Another helpful habit is repetition.
Listening to the same thing again.
The second time feels easier.
The third time feels familiar.
That familiarity builds trust.
And trust calms the brain.
When the brain is calm, English flows better.
Less blocking.
Less panic.
More understanding.
You may miss words.
That's normal.
You may miss full sentences.
Still okay.
Meaning is bigger than words.
Always.
This kind of listening supports thinking in English.
Because it trains instinct.
Instinct is faster than translation.
And much more natural.
Soon, English sounds familiar.
Like a known voice.
And from there, speaking feels less scary.
Which is exactly where the next part takes us.
And when speaking starts to feel possible, confidence slowly grows.
Yes. Very slowly. But clearly.
Many learners wait for perfect English.
that moment never comes.
Perfect English is a myth.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So the real goal is comfort.
Feeling okay while speaking.
Feeling safe to try.
Feeling free to pause.
Pauses are normal.
Silence is not failure.
It's thinking time.
Everyone needs it.
One helpful habit is speaking softly.
Yes, not loud, not fast.
Soft voice helps the brain relax.
Relaxed brain speaks better.
Another habit is self-talk.
Talking to yourself.
At home,
In the car.
while walking,
Very powerful.
you can describe simple things.
What you see.
What you feel.
What you are doing.
For example, I am walking.
I am tired.
I am thinking.
Simple sentences build flow.
Flow is more important than grammar.
Yes, much more important.
When flow improves, mistakes reduce naturally,
Without force.
without rules in your head.
Just usage.
Another key is reaction phrases.
Very useful.
Words like, really?
Oh, wow.
That's interesting.
They keep conversation alive.
Even if full sentences feel hard,
You still participate.
participation builds courage.
And that courage matters. Because once you speak a little, speaking more feels possible.
It feels easier now when words come faster without stopping to translate.
Yes, that moment feels good, like your brain is relaxing.
And today we used many simple words, words you already know.
Small words, but very powerful in daily talk.
Let's remember a few together, just to make them clear.
Good idea. Repetition helps a lot.
One word was object, like pen, table, phone.
An object is something you can see, something you can touch.
Another word was action, like walk, drink, sit.
Actions show what you do. They move your sentence forward.
We also used feeling words, happy, tired, relaxed.
Feelings help you speak naturally. They connect English to real life.
We talked about habit too, something you do every day.
Like drinking coffee or checking your phone in the morning.
And we used the word practice, a very important one.
Practice means doing it again, not perfectly, just regularly.
That's the key. Simple words, simple sentences.
And using them again and again.
If you think in English for small things, your brain starts to change.
Slowly, but clearly.
You don't need long sentences or big grammar rules.
You just need real moments from your day.
Before we finish, we want to hear from you.
Yes, your turn now.
Look around you, right now.
What is one thing you see?
Write one simple English word in the comments.
Just one word is perfect.
And if this conversation helped you, please like this episode
And subscribe to the channel.
so you can practice with us again. We're happy you're learning with us.
Keep thinking in English, one small moment at a time.